Well, hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the pre-fill Google form. So many a times you want to be certain fields of the form to be pre-fill, or you don't care about the form, the responses are being genuine or not, and you just want the number of responses to get filled. So in this case, you can get the pre-fill in Google form. So to show that, I'm going to use some the template form which is already available here. Let's select this event feedback form. So yeah, to create pre-fill Google form, you have to click here, get pre-fill link, and fill the options you want to be pre-fill when you send this form link for responses to anyone. So you can select the all option or the options you want to be pre-fill in the form. So you can type anything and it will be pre-fill. You can select all the option or some options, it's up to you, and get the link. So the pre-fill link is created. Just copy the link and open a new private window. Okay, so now when you open the form in the private window, as you can see, the option which I have already selected are already filled. So for to submit the form now, you have to just select the form which are left to be selected like this, and then you can submit the response. So that's it guys, this is how you can create the pre-fill Google form. Thanks for watching.